Hello and welcome to our latest video feature, Top 5 Best Cordless Vacuums. In today's fast-paced world, where convenience and efficiency are paramount, the need for a cordless vacuum cleaner has never been more evident. Gone are the days of being tethered to a wall socket, restricted by the length of a cord. Cordless vacuums represent a breakthrough in home cleaning technology, offering unparalleled flexibility and ease of use. Whether you're navigating around furniture, cleaning hard-to-reach areas, or simply looking for a quick and hassle-free way to maintain a clean home, a cordless vacuum is an essential tool in any modern household. In this video, we will explore the top 5 best cordless vacuums on the market. We've tested and reviewed a wide range of models to bring you the most reliable, powerful, and user-friendly options available. So, if you're ready to cut the cord and embrace the future of home cleaning, stay tuned as we dive into the world of cordless vacuums. Subscribe to our channel now for more such content, and press the bell icon for regular updates. If you want to know more about the products, or want to know about their latest pricing, links to all the products mentioned in this video are given in the description box below. Let's get started. At number 5, we have Shark Vertex Pro Powered Liftaway. The Shark Vertex Pro Powered Liftaway is an exceptional cordless upright vacuum, succeeding the discontinued Shark Ion P50. It stands out for its remarkable performance on high-pile carpets, especially in its default deep clean mode with the carpet surface setting. This vacuum is adept at picking up larger debris like sand and effectively handles finer materials such as baking soda. However, occasionally, an extra pass might be necessary for complete cleaning. Designed for versatility and deep cleaning, the Shark Vertex Pro removes various types of debris. Its ability to capture 97% of large debris and around 74% of small debris in testing showcases its robust suction power and cleaning efficiency. This makes it an ideal choice for homes with different carpet types and cleaning needs. The cordless design of the Shark Vertex Pro Powered Liftaway enhances its usability, allowing for easy maneuverability around furniture and in tight spaces without the hassle of a cord. This feature, combined with its powerful cleaning performance, makes the Shark Vertex Pro a top contender for those seeking a reliable cordless vacuum cleaner for a thorough and efficient home cleaning experience. At number 4, we have Dyson Outsize. The Dyson Outsize cordless vacuum cleaner is a powerhouse of cleaning technology designed to tackle the demands of large homes. This model stands out with its 25% larger cleaner head and a 150% bigger bin compared to the Dyson V11, allowing for more efficient cleaning and less frequent emptying. Engineered for deep cleaning on any surface, it intelligently adapts to different floor types, ensuring thorough cleaning throughout the home. Equipped with a Dyson Hyperdymium motor that spins at up to 125,000 RPM, the Outsize generates powerful suction backed by radial root cyclone technology. This technology uses 18 cyclones to fling dust into the bin without clogging the filter, maintaining consistent suction power. The vacuum also features advanced whole machine filtration, trapping 99.99% of particles as small as 0.3 microns. The Dyson Outsize is acoustically engineered to keep noise levels down and has an inline configuration for efficient airflow and powerful suction. Its 7-cell nickel-cobalt aluminum battery offers up to 60 minutes of fade-free runtime, making it suitable for extended cleaning sessions. Additional features include a digital Motorbar XL cleaner head with detangling technology for hair removal, multiple cleaning modes for various tasks, and a real-time digital display for runtime and maintenance alerts. The vacuum is constructed from durable materials, ensuring longevity and ease of use. The point-and-shoot hygienic bin emptying system and convenient docking station for charging and storage further enhance the user experience. The Dyson Outsize is a testament to Dyson's commitment to powerful, efficient, and user-friendly cleaning solutions. At number 3, we have Tenneco Pure One S11. The Tenneco Pure One S11 is a versatile and efficient mid-range cordless stick vacuum, known for its innovative built-in dirt sensor that automatically increases suction power in dirtier areas. This feature ensures optimal cleaning performance across various surfaces. The vacuum boasts a well-constructed plastic body that is comfortable to handle, though some parts, like the HEPA filter housing, may feel a bit fragile. One of the standout features of the Pure One S11 is its ease of maintenance. The dirt compartment is simple to empty and clean, and the vacuum has several parts like the mesh filter, pre-filter, and HEPA filter that are easily accessible for regular cleaning. This model is designed for user convenience, with a clear emphasis on hygiene and maintenance. In terms of performance, the Tineco Pure One S11 excels on bare floors and high-pile carpets, efficiently picking up both large and small debris. It also has a decent performance on low-pile carpets. The vacuum is equipped with a 4-stage filtration system, including a HEPA exhaust filter, ensuring effective trapping of small allergens. The Pure One S11 is relatively lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it suitable for various cleaning tasks around the home. The vacuum is compatible with the Tineco Life app, offering features like adjustable power settings, battery life monitoring, and maintenance reminders, enhancing the overall user experience. At number 2, we have Shark Stratos. The Shark Stratos Cordless is Shark's flagship model in their lineup of cordless stick vacuums, offering a blend of high-grade construction and innovative features. This vacuum is primarily made of durable plastic with a non-magnetic metal wand that can fold in half for easy storage. The floor head feels denser and more robust compared to its predecessors, though the dirt compartment is somewhat fragile. Maintenance of the Shark Stratos is relatively straightforward. The dirt compartment is easily detachable and has a top entry point to prevent debris spillage. It features twin brush rolls, with the primary brush roll designed to trap pet hair. Despite claims of being self-cleaning, some manual cleaning may be required. The vacuum also includes a soft roller for delicate surfaces, pre-motor filters, and a post-motor HEPA filter, all of which are accessible and easy to clean. The Shark Stratos offers a well-sized dirt compartment, larger than many alternatives, and is made of clear plastic for easy visibility of its contents. Its battery performance is decent, offering over 10 minutes of runtime in the powerful boost mode and up to an hour in the energy-efficient eco mode. In terms of usability, the Shark Stratos excels with its maneuverability, thanks to a flexible wand and pivoting head. It can be easily converted into a handheld vacuum for more detailed cleaning. The vacuum includes a few attachments, like an anti-allergen dust brush and a crevice tool, enhancing its versatility. The Shark Stratos is effective in trapping fine allergens and performs exceptionally well in cleaning crevices and picking up pet hair from various surfaces. Finally, at number 1 we have Dyson Gen 5 Detect. The Dyson Gen 5 Detect, Dyson's flagship cordless stick vacuum, is a successor to the Dyson V15 Detect, featuring a range of smart and powerful cleaning capabilities. It boasts a slightly sturdier build than previous models, with a body made of a thicker grade of plastic and a matte finish. The vacuum incorporates an on-off power button instead of a trigger, enhancing user comfort during extended cleaning sessions. Maintenance of the Gen 5 Detect is straightforward, with easily accessible parts requiring regular cleaning. The dirt compartment, connected to the main body, can be emptied by pressing a release button. The vacuum includes a fluffy optic vacuum head with integrated laser light, brighter than its predecessor, and a motorized head brush roll that is simple to clean. The vacuum also features a HEPA filter that should be washed under cold water monthly. The Gen 5 Detect's dirt compartment is of moderate size, similar to the Dyson V15 Detect, and is made of clear plastic for easy visibility. Battery performance is adequate, offering a maximum runtime of over 70 minutes in eco mode, but this drops to under 10 minutes in the high-power boost mode with the motorized head. The vacuum comes with various tools and accessories, including a fluffy optic head for bare floors, a conical turbo brush for fabric surfaces, and an integrated crevice tool, soft bristle brush. It performs exceptionally well on various surfaces, including bare floors and carpets, and handles pet hair effectively. The Gen 5 Detect is slightly heavier than some previous models, but its maneuverability and ease of use make it a powerful and versatile cleaning tool. If you find the video helpful, please like and share the video and subscribe to our channel for more such content. Thanks for watching.